Well, here's something quite fascinating. The mound has been damaged and they're trying to repair it, and it just looks like there's thousands of them just recreating the structure of their mound. Wet season's not upon us yet, and they're just working at it. They're just going for it, just trying to get it finished before the rains come. Amazing cooperation that ants have, storing up their food, preparing for the big wet that will hit Australia's Northern Territory soon. I wonder how many. There'd have to be 1 million ants in this colony, you'd think. I really don't know. I mean, just look at them. Yeah, I really don't know what the numbers would be. Look at the movement, they're just everywhere. Building, they're just building and building and building. Anyway, so this is the ant nest. It's about 1/2 metre high. Little round dome. It's had the top broken off. And they're rebuilding it. And they get this work done very quickly. Unfortunately, they're right in a paddock that will probably see them dug up, as it's actually on an airstrip, so they'll have to go. But in the meantime, they're very happily working. And they go, I think it's about 1 foot underground as well, so even when they get knocked down, they just build them again. You know, they survive. These things are so rock hard that even when you dig them up and move them, you'd have to squash them all to actually kill them, or something like that. I mean, this is the issue they've got on this airstrip here, is that they just keep building again and again and again. So, but the good news is people don't believe in using poison here, so these guys are just going to keep rebuilding each time they get knocked down. I get knocked down, I get up again. That sounds like a good theme for a song. Anyway, let's see if we can have a closer look. This camera, I don't know if it's focusing. They're just everywhere. Ants everywhere. Carrying things and building. Amazing. Amazing cooperation. Amazing teamwork. What a community. Here we go. There it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night.